Hello po, good afternoon. So ngayon, natapos na ang kalahati ng puno. Nakapaglagay ako ng mulch. Also there. So marami pa akong lalagyan ng mulch. Nakakatulong to control the weeds. I have more to clean this one. And also here, I'm not yet done. So I'll put mulch also there. Hindi pa tapos. Because I removed the weeds first before I put the